4번. 대화를 듣고 남자가 여자에게 부탁한 일을 고르시오.
Is there anything to eat, George? I'm starving.
I thought there was some pizza in the refrigerator, dear, but it's gone.
I don't feel like cooking. Why don't we order out?
Okay, let's get some Chinese food.
No, it's too greasy. How about Korean food instead?
Now you mention it, I'd like a Korean meal.
The restaurant down the street is pretty good.
I've forgotten their phone number. Can you find it for me?
Sure, I'll look it up for you. It's 3104-3699.
Okay, what would you like?
Well, I love Bibimbap.
Anything else?
No, just ask them to make it quick.